This conference will now be recorded.
My voice is audible for you? Yeah, thanks for your response. PPT is visible for you? Yeah, thanks for your response. Yesterday we have started with the first experiment. Okay, the first experiment is implementation of adder and subtractor using logic gates. Okay, so this is what your first experiment. So yesterday we have completed up to implementation of half adder, isn't it? Okay. Today we are going to do the full adder. Okay, next we are going to do the subtractor. Okay, so these are all the things today we are going to see. Implementation of adder and the subtractor using logic gates. Okay, so yesterday we have completed up to half adder. Okay, so today we are going to do implementation of full adder and also subtractor. Okay, so take the heading implementation of full adder. Okay, by using logisim. So last class we have seen the basic introduction about full adder, and also I have given a brief overview about what is full adder and what is off adder. Okay, so off adder is nothing but you can add only 2 bits. Okay, maybe if the bits are A and B. Okay, so you can add only 2 bits, isn't it? If you're having 3 bits, for example A, B, C, suppose if you're having 3 bits, then you cannot add. Okay, for example, 1, 0, 1. So if you're having 3 bits, you want to add these 3 binary bits, Abdina, this cannot be possible in half adder. Okay, so that's why we are going for full adder. So full adder, Abdina, full adder will support 3 bits. Okay, so you can add 3 bits at a time. Okay, that's why we are going for full adder. So this is very important. Okay, sometimes in the exam, why we are going for full adder or what is the difference between half adder and full adder? So இந்த மாதிரி questions கேட்கலாம். ஓகேவா, half adder அப்படின்னா 2 bits மட்டும் தான் ஆட் பண்ண முடியும். மேபி கேரி வந்துச்சு அப்படின்னா, I mean 3 bits வந்துச்சு அப்படின்னா you cannot add, isn't it? That's why we are going for full adder. So these things we have seen yesterday class itself. Okay, so what is full adder and those things. So now we are going to see the truth table of full adder. Okay, so all of you please take down the truth table of full adder. So A, B are actual input, C is your carry. Okay, C in அப்படிங்கிறது வந்து carry. So all of you please note down the truth table. This is very important. Okay, இந்த truth table தான் நம்ம லாஜிஸ்டிக்ல வந்து சர்க்யூட் டிரா பண்ணிட்டு then நம்ம வெரிஃபை பண்றதுக்கு இந்த truth table வச்சு தான் வெரிஃபை பண்ணுவோம், isn't it? So please all of you take down the truth table. A and B are your input, C also your input. Okay, so C input da, so C will be called as C in. Okay, it means that carry input அப்படிமாங்க or input carry அப்படிமாங்க. Okay, C in. So A, B, C are the input variables. Output variables என்ன, adderக்கு வந்து எப்பவுமே outputs வந்து என்னவா இருக்கும் அப்படின்னா carry அப்புறம் sum. Okay, carry and sum are the outputs of adder. Okay, it may be half adder, it may be full adder. Okay, okay. This is what the rule. Okay, this is what the rule of your full adder. Okay, this is what the rule of full adder. Okay, please note down. Suppose your inputs 0 0 0 அப்படின்னா carry 0 sum 0. Okay, so all of you note down. Okay, I think you are having notebook in your hand. Okay, so all of you note down the truth table. This is very important, both theory and also lab. Okay, தியரியிலையும் ஆஃப் ஆர்டர் ஃபுல் ஆர்டர் இருக்கு யூனிட் 2ல. அதே மாதிரி லேப் எக்ஸசைஸிலும் வந்து ஃபர்ஸ்ட் லேப் எக்ஸசைஸ் வந்து ஆஃப் ஆர்டர் ஃபுல் ஆர்டர். ஸோ ஆல் ஆஃப் யூ நோட் டவுன் தி ட்ரூத் டேபிள், திஸ் இஸ் வெரி இம்பார்ட்டன்ட். ஸோ ஏ வந்து 0, பி 0, சி இன் 0, 3 இன்புட்ஸும் 0 அப்படின்னா கேரி 0, சம் 0. சப்போஸ் ஏ 0, பி 0, சி இன் வந்து 1 அப்படின்னா கேரி 0, சம் 1. ஏ 0, பி 1, சி இன் 0 அப்படின்னா கேரி 0, சம் 1. சப்போஸ் ஏ 0, பி 1, சி 1, ஐ மீன் சி இன் 1 அப்படின்னா கேரி 1, சம் 0. ஸோ 1 0 0, ஐ மீன் ஏ 1, பி வந்து 0, சி இன்னும் 0னா கேரி 0, சம் 1. ஏ வந்து 1, பி 0, சி இன் 1 அப்படின்னா கேரி 1, சம் 0. சப்போஸ் ஏ வந்து 1, பி 1, சி இன் இருக்குல்ல கேரி இன் வந்து 0 அப்படின்னா கேரி 0, தென் வந்து சம் 0. ஸோ ஆல் தி இன்புட்ஸ் ஆர் 1. ஓகேவா, ஏவும் 1, பியும் 1, சி இன்னும் 1, ஐ மீன் கேரி இன்புட் 1 அப்படின்னா output, I mean carrying 1, sum 1. Okay, so this is 3 input. That's so you will be having 8 combination. Okay, so 0 and 7 வரைக்கும் இருக்கும். Okay, so you will be having 8 combination. Okay, so 0 0 0 and 1 1 வரைக்கும் we are having 8 combinations. Okay, so 8 combinations க்கும் carry or sum ஓட results இருக்கு. Okay, carry and sum ஓட results இருக்கு. So all of you please note down the truth table. Okay, so 0 0 0 na carry enna sum enna. So like that 1 1 varaikum 1 1 1 அப்படினா carry enna sum enna. So please all of you note down the truth table. So next block diagram. Okay, so next block diagram. So block diagram la வந்து you are having A and B are your input. Okay, A and B are your inputs and C in. Okay, C in is carry input. Okay, this is also your input. Okay, carry in, this is also your input. So A, B and C in are your input. C out அப்படிங்கிறது carry out. Okay, carry out. Then வந்து sum, these two are your outputs. Okay, C out and sum வந்து outputs. Okay, C out and sum are your output. So this is what the block diagram of your full adder. So half adder and full adder difference na, half adder la vandu only you will be having 2 inputs A and B mattum irukum block diagram la. If you are going for full adder, block diagram la vandu you will be having A, B, then also another input called C in. Okay, you will be having 3 inputs. This is the major difference, okay, between half adder and full adder. So have you all noted? Have you all noted the truth table? Anyone reply through chat? Yeah, thanks for your response. So next we are going for the we need Boolean expression, isn't it? Okay, we need Boolean expressions. Boolean expressions we can go for the implementation of logic diagram. Okay, so அப்போ வந்து Boolean expressions வேணும் அப்படின்னா we are having truth table. Okay, Boolean expressions வேணும் அப்படின்னா we want to map this Boolean expression into K map. Okay, into K map. So K map simplification for carry and sum. Okay, so நம்ம என்ன பண்ணணும், based on these inputs நம்ம என்ன பண்ணணும், carry க்கு ஒரு K map போடணும், sum க்கு ஒரு K map போடணும். ஓகேவா, சோ அப்ப என்ன ஆகும், carry க்கு ஒரு எக்ஸ்பிரஷன் கிடைக்கும், sum க்கு ஒரு எக்ஸ்பிரஷன் கிடைக்கும். ஓகேவா, சோ அதான் நம்ம என்ன பண்ண போறோம், we are going to implement in logisim. ஓகேவா, fine. So next என்ன பண்ணலாம், I am going for 3 variable. This is SOP method. ஓகேவா, so please keep in mind this is SOP method. We are going, I'm going for 3 variable Karnaugh map diagram. Okay, so 3 variable na A, B, C, N. Okay, so this is my 3 variable. I'm going for 3 variable Karnaugh map diagram. So first I'm going to draw the K map for carry out. Next I'm going to draw K map for sum. So you want to map. Okay va, next one you want to map. So example வந்து 0 0 0 okay va, a0 b0 c in 0 அப்படினா carry 0 okay va. So carry வந்து 0. அதே மாதிரி a வந்து 0 b0 c in வந்து 1 அப்படினா 0, a0 b1 c in 1 னா 1. So like that you want to map. okay va, இங்க இருக்கிற values வந்து a b c in values க்கு corresponding carry value என்ன அப்படிங்கறத you want to map in this K-map diagram. Okay va, once map பண்ணதுக்கு அப்புறம் we want to go for grouping. okay va, next group பண்ணலாம். Okay, how we can group? First anyone tell me for carry எப்படி group பண்ணலாம்? Anyone tell me the possibility of grouping? So anyone tell me the possibilities of grouping, how we can group? First carry க்கு சொல்லுங்க.
M3 M7.
M3 M7, very good. This is first possibility. Next
M7 M6.
M7 M6, very good. M7 M6. Next possibility
M7 M5.
yeah, M7 and M5. So obviously we will have 3 groups. okay kandipa 3 groups varum. Fine. So anyone tell me the Boolean expression for this first group? Anyone tell me the Boolean expression for the first group?
BC.
I mean BC. okay, BC. Fine. Next second. So example வந்து இந்த குரூப்புக்கு சொல்லுங்க. I mean வந்து M7 and M6 க்கு M7 and M6 அந்த குரூப்புக்கு Boolean expression anyone?
A B sir.
anyone? A B, isn't it? Because C in will get
Yes,
cancelled. Change in value. okay so B will get cancelled. I mean C in will get cancelled, so you will get only A and B. Very good. Next next Boolean expression, I mean for M5 and M7. M5 and M7. Anyone tell me?
AC.
M5 AC. Okay, fine. So this is what your carry. okay, so C out will be AB plus AC in. okay va, so C in போது you want to mention C in. okay va, so இது வந்து C in அப்படின்றனால you want to mention it because this is carry in. okay va, so you want to mention C in instead of C, you want to mention C in. okay va, so இப்போ வந்து C in plus B C in. okay va, B C in. fine. So we completed the Boolean expression for carry. So carry ki complete பண்ணியாச்சு. Next we are going for the sum. okay va, sum க்கு எப்படி group பண்ணலாம்? anyone? So anyone tell me how we can group sum க்கு?
Individual grouping sir.
எல்லாமே individual grouping தான். very good ma. So எல்லாமே individual grouping தான் because there is no adjacent cells. group பண்றதுக்கு adjacent cells ல வந்து there is no one. okay va, so we want to go for individual grouping தான். அப்ப வந்து obviously வந்து you will be having 4 Boolean expressions. கண்டிப்பா வந்து 4 groups இருக்கும். so 4 Boolean expressions வரும் கண்டிப்பா. okay va, fine. so you'll be getting A bar B bar C in. okay va, next வந்து plus A bar B C in, I mean C in bar. next வந்து plus A B bar C in bar plus A B C in. okay va, so இந்த 4 groups க்கும் நீங்க Boolean expressions வந்து work out பண்ணீங்கன்னா you will get this answer. okay va, okay va, please check, நீங்க செக் பண்ணி பார்த்துக்கங்க. so first இந்த குரூப்புக்கு, next second group, third group, fourth group. 4 groups க்கும் நீங்க Boolean expressions வந்து find out பண்ணீங்கன்னா you will get this answer. So this is what the Boolean expression for your sum. Okay, so next we want to go for the implementation part. Okay, next now we got the Boolean expressions. Next we want to implement this Boolean expression into logic gates. Okay, I mean with the help of logic gates we are going to implement these Boolean expressions. Okay, right now the problem, I mean the design order flow. Next the Boolean function for the sum can be further simplified as. Okay, so idhula pathinga appadina we are having four different product terms. Sum la pathina sum oda Boolean expressions la we are having four different product terms. Okay, so we have some chances to minimize this Boolean expression. Okay, nam enna pannalamna we can minimize this Boolean expression. Okay, that's why we are going for the further steps. So carry out வந்து நம்ம minimize பண்ண முடியாது. ஓகேவா, just leave it, அப்படியே விட்டுருங்க. sum மட்டும் we can minimize further. ஓகேவா, that's why we are going for the further steps. So sum equal to a bar b bar c in, இது அப்படியே எழுதிக்கங்க. ஓகேவா, plus a bar b c in bar plus a b bar c in bar plus a b c in. This is what the answer, I mean this is what the algebraic, I mean Boolean expression for the sum. So how we can simplify? So you are having Cin and Cin. You are having two Cin terms. Okay, நீங்க என்ன பண்ணலாம், இந்த Cin காமனா வந்து அவுட் சைடு எடுத்துருங்க. எடுத்துட்டீங்க அப்படினா so you can combine a bar b bar plus ab, இது ரெண்டையும் கம்பைன் பண்ணிடலாம். ஓகேவா, next plus இந்த Cn ல பாருங்க, இந்த Cn ல காமனா Cn அவுட் சைடு எடுத்துட்டோம்னா ஓகேவா, so you can combine a bar b plus a b bar, இது ரெண்டையும் கம்பைன் பண்ணிடலாம். ஓகேவா, so நான் என்ன பண்ணிக்கிறேன், இது ரெண்டையும் Cn bar காமனா இருக்கறனால I am taking outside. அதே மாதிரி இந்த ரெண்டு டேர்ம்லயும் வந்து Cn காமனா இருக்கறனால நான் என்ன பண்றேன், Cn வந்து I am taking common. Okay, I am taking common outside. ஓகேவா, so next a bar b bar plus ab அப்படி is nothing, this is nothing but x nor. Okay, this Boolean expression but x nor, a bar b bar plus ab அப்படின்னு ஒரு Boolean expression இருந்ததுன்னா that is nothing but algebraic expression of your x nor. Okay, so x nor ங்க நம்ம எப்படி போடுவோம், டாட் வச்சு ஒரு சர்க்கிள் பண்ணிருந்தா that is called x nor. Okay, x nor, please keep in mind x nor. So Cin x nor இத வந்து ரீரைட் பண்ணிக்கலாம். plus இந்த Cin bar அப்படியே வந்துரும், பிராக்கெட்ல a bar b plus a b bar இந்த மாதிரி ஃபார்மேட்ல இருந்துச்சுன்னா you all know this is nothing but xr. ஓகேவா, this is nothing but xr. xr ஓட algebraic expression வந்து என்னன்னா a bar b plus a b bar தான். ஓகேவா, so we can write it as a exclusive or b அப்படின்னு எழுதிக்கலாம். ஓகேவா, so exclusive or அப்படின்னா பிளஸ் போட்டு சர்க்கிள் பண்ணிருந்தா that is called exclusive or, டாட் வச்சு சர்க்கிள் பண்ணிருந்தா அது வந்து exclusive nor. Please keep in mind. ஓகேவா, ஓகே, ஃபர்தரா பாருங்க Cin. so இது எப்படி ரீரைட் பண்ணலாம் அப்படின்னா ஓகேவா, so a x nor b அப்படிங்கறத we can write like, ஓகேவா, இது எப்படி எழுதலாம், a exclusive or into b the whole bar இப்படி எழுதலாம். ஓகேவா, so a exclusive or b the whole bar அப்படின்னு என்ன பண்ணலாம், இந்த எக்ஸ்பிரஷனை வந்து நம்ம ரீரைட் பண்ணலாம். பிகாஸ் x nor ஓட இன்வர்ஷன் தான் என்ன, ஐ மீன் x nor ஓட இன்வர்ஷன் தான் வந்து xr. ஓகேவா, so we can rewrite like this plus Cin bar இது அப்படியே வந்துரும் a exclusive b. ஓகேவா, a exclusive r of b அப்படியே வந்துரும். so further பாத்தீங்க அப்படின்னா just listen, Cin அப்படிங்கிறது வந்து Cn வந்து a ன்னு எடுத்துக்கிட்டீங்கன்னு வச்சுக்கோங்க, Cn வந்து consider Cn as a. ஓகேவா, Cn வந்து a ன்னு எடுத்துட்டா இந்த a exclusive or b அப்படிங்கிறது வந்து b அப்படின்னு கன்சிடர் பண்ணிட்டா ஓகேவா, அப்ப இது என்ன ஆகும், a exclusive or b the whole bar என்ன ஆயிரும், b bar ஆயிரும். ஓகேவா, I'm considering இந்த ஃபார்மேட்ல தான் இருக்குது. ஓகேவா, b bar ன்னு எடுத்துக்கலாம். அப்ப இது என்ன ஆயிரும் சி இன் பார் அப்படிங்கிறது ஆக்சுவலா சின்னு வந்து நான் ஏன்னு எடுத்திருக்கிறேன். அப்ப சி இன் பார் அப்படிங்கிறது ஏ பார் அப்படின்னு ஆயிரும். ஸோ ஏ பார் ஐ மீன் அந்த ஃபார்மேட்ல இருக்கு ஓகேவா. அப்ப வந்து ஏ பி பார் ஓகேவா, ஏ பார் பி அப்படிங்கிற ஃபார்மேட்ல தான் இருக்கு ஓகேவா. அப்ப நம்ம எப்படி எழுதிக்கலாம்? ஸோ வி ஹவ் ஸ்டடிட் தட் ஏ பார் பி பிளஸ் ஏ பி பார்னு எப்படி எழுதிக்கலாம்? ஏ எக்ஸ்க்ளூசிவ் ஆர் ஆஃப் பி அப்படின்னு எழுதிக்கலாம் isn't it? ஸோ அப்ப இது எப்படி எழுதலாம்? ஸோ ஏக்கு பதிலா சிஇன் ஓகேவா. ஸோ பிக்கு பதிலா ஏ எக்ஸ்க்ளூசிவ் ஆர் ஆஃப் பி ஓகேவா. ஏ பிக்கு பதிலா எப்படி எழுதிக்கலாம்? ஏ எக்ஸ்க்ளூசிவ் ஆர் ஆஃப் பி ஓகேவா. இடையில வந்து என்ன வரும்? இடையில வந்து எக்ஸ்க்ளூசிவ் ஆர் வந்துடும் ஓகேவா. ஸோ இங்க வந்து ஏக்கு பதிலா சிஎன் இருக்கு, பிக்கு பதிலா ஏ எக்ஸ்க்ளூசிவ் ஆர் பி இருக்கு. ஸோ அப்ப we can write like that சிஎன் எக்ஸ்க்ளூசிவ் ஆர் ஆஃப் ஏ எக்ஸ்க்ளூசிவ் ஆர் பி அப்படின்னு எழுதிக்கலாம். ஸோ திஸ் இஸ் வாட் யுவர் சம் ஓகேவா. ஸோ இப்போ வந்து பார்த்தீங்கன்னா யூ ஆர் ஹேவிங் 4 ப்ராடக்ட் டேர்ம்ஸ். இனிஷியலா வந்து யூ ஆர் ஹேவிங் 4 ப்ராடக்ட் டேர்ம்ஸ் இன் யுவர் சம் expression ஓகேவா. By using some minimization technique ஓகேவா, we have converted into Cn exclusive OR of A exclusive OR of B அப்படி நம்ம என்ன பண்ணிட்டோம்? மினிமைஸ் பண்ணிட்டோம். இது சம்மோட டேர்மை வந்து மினிமைஸ் பண்ணியாச்சு ஓகேவா. ஃபைன். So all of you please note down the final result. Sum equal to Cn exclusive OR of A exclusive OR of B. This is what the final answer for your full adder ஓட sum ஓட எக்ஸ்பிரஷன் ஓகேவா. ஃபுல் adder ஓட sum ஓட boolean expression வந்து Cn exclusive OR of A exclusive OR of B. So have you all noted? Anyone reply through chat? Have you all noted? Have you all noted? Anyone reply through chat? Yeah. Thanks for your response. So this is what the expression for your carry ஓகேவா. carry out or carry whatever it may be. So this is what the expression for your carry. Then this is what the expression for your sum ஓகேவா. This is very important, please keep in mind ஓகேவா. This is what your carry of your full adder ஓகேவா. full adder ஓட carry expression இதுதான் ஓகேவா. full adder ஓட sum ஓட expression வந்து இது ஓகேவா. Cn exclusive or A exclusive OR of B ஓகேவா. இதான் வந்து sum ஓட expression. So now we are going for the implementation part ஓகேவா. Now we are going for the implementation part. So first I am going for the implementation of sum. Sum நான் implement பண்ணனும் ஓகேவா. sum எப்படி implement பண்ணலாம்? sum என்ன இருக்கு? Cn A B. So you are having 3 variable A B Cn. அப்ப என்ன பண்ணனும்? A B Cn க்கு you want to draw 3 lines ஓகேவா. these are all your inputs A B Cn. இதுக்கு மூணுக்கு ஒரு 3 lines போட்டுக்கங்க. input lines போட்டுட்டு இந்த மூணு என்ன பண்ணனும்? you want to give it to exclusive OR ஓகேவா. so this symbol is called to exclusive OR ஓகேவா. இந்த A B Cn மூணு இன்புட்டையும் you want to give it to exclusive OR. the result is sum ஓகேவா. the result is sum. This is very simple. So we completed the implementation part of sum. Okay, next we want to go for carry. So carry பாருங்க, carry என்ன? carryல வந்து first product term வந்து AB, A into B. I mean AB வந்து we want to give it to AND gate, isn't it? ஓகேவா. So A ல இருந்து ஒரு input எடுத்துட்டு B ல இருந்து ஒரு input எடுத்துட்டு you want to give it to AND gate. ஓகேவா. So the output is A into B. Next A into Cn ஓகேவா. you want to take input from A and another input from Cn ஓகேவா. these two we have to give it to AND gate ஓகேவா. because A into Cn ஓகேவா. AND gate கொடுத்தாச்சு. so output is A into Cn. next வந்து B into Cn. you want to take input from B ஓகேவா. you want to take another input from B and another input from Cn. you want to give these two inputs to AND gate, because this is B into C in. Yeah, B into C in. So the final the output is B into C in. So we want to combine, because in between you are having the plus operator. Okay, so you want to combine all the results and you want to give it to OR gate. Okay, OR gate கொடுத்துட்டீங்கன்னா, so the output of OR gate is your C out. The output of OR gate is your C out. So this is what the implementation of full adder. This is what the implementation of full adder or binary full adder, whatever it may be. Okay, so this is what the implementation of full adder. So next we want to implement this full adder into Logisim software. Okay, we want to implement this full adder circuit. Okay, so all of you please draw this circuit in your notebook. Next we are going to implement this full adder by using the Logisim software. Okay, so have you all noted? Reply through chat. Have you all noted this diagram in your notebook? Yeah, thanks for your response. So next I'm going to implement this logic diagram by using Logisim software. So dear students, so all of you open your Logisim software. Okay, so I'm going to implement this full adder circuit in Logisim software. Okay, so parallel you just implement. Okay, so parallel you just implement the procedure. So first we want to go for the gates. Okay, we want to go for the gates. So we are in the need of two gates. I mean, first we need exclusive OR gate. Okay, then we need AND gate. Finally, we need OR gate. Okay, so these are all the gates required for the implementation of full adder. So first I'm going to take XOR gate. So I'm going to take XOR gate. So next I want to change the number of inputs. Okay, so I need only 3 inputs. Okay, so I can change it to 3. Next I am going to take AND gate. Okay, so next I'm going to take AND gate. So I want to change the number of inputs, isn't it? Because I need only 2 inputs. So I'm going to change the number of inputs. Okay, next I need another one AND gate. So I want to change the number of inputs. I need only 2 inputs. Next, I need another one AND gate, because we need 3 AND gates, and I want to change the number of inputs. Okay. Next, we need OR gate. Okay, we need one OR gate. So in OR gate also we need to change the number of inputs. In OR gate we need only 3 inputs. Okay, fine. Next we want to take inputs and outputs. Okay, we want to take inputs and outputs. So I'm going to take I need 3 inputs, isn't it? A, B, and C in. A, B, and C in. These are all my inputs and my output. Okay, so in sum section I'm having one output, and also carry section also I'm having one output. Next I want to connect, isn't it? So I want to connect the inputs to my gates. So first I'm going to complete my sum section. Next I'm going for my carry. Okay, so all of you follow the steps. Next I'm going to connect the second input. Next I'm going to give the third input. So you want to connect your output. So you can give a name. Okay, so you can give a name. This input is your A, this input is your B, this input is your C in, isn't it? This is your carry in, so this is your C in. Next one, this is what your output. So output on the sum. This is what your output. This is sum. So next, so I think we completed the sum section. Next, we want to go for carry. Okay, so carry side one, we want to connect. So first in carry section one, first you want to connect with A and B. Okay, the inputs of your first AND gate A and B, isn't it? So next AND gate you want to give input from A and C in. Okay, A and C in. The last AND gate you want to give input from B and C in. Okay, B and C in. Okay, fine. Next, we want to combine these outputs. Okay, so these outputs of your AND gate to OR gate. Okay, we want to give it to OR gate. So I can label as this is what your C out or carry. Okay. So we completed the implementation. Next, we want to verify. Okay, but next we want to verify the truth table of your full adder. So first case the 0 0 0. So all the inputs, I mean A0, B0, C in, all the inputs 0. Please check your carry is 0, sum is 0, isn't it? Okay, wow. Next case in 0. Please check your truth table. 0 0. C in 1 abdina. Okay, wow. So C in 1 abdina. Sum 1, carry 0. I mean C out 0, isn't it? This is what your second case. Third case in A0, B1, C in 0. Okay, wow. And the case can output sum 1, okay, wow. Carry 0. C out 0. Fourth case in A0, B 1, C1. I mean C in 1. Abdina, what will be the result? Please check your truth table. Truth table in carry 1. Okay, wow. Sum 0. The fourth case is also working fine. Fifth case in your input on the A 1, B 0, okay, C in 0, okay, A1, B 0, C in 0. Then your result sum 1, carry 0, isn't it? So please verify your truth table. Next case A 1, B 0, C in 1. Okay, so that time you will get sum 0, carry 1, isn't it? So this case also working fine. The next case A 1, B 1, C 0. Okay, so in that case sum 0, you will get carry 1. Okay, so we are come to end of the last case. Last case in now all the inputs are 1. I mean A1, B1, C in 1. All the inputs are high. Okay, all the inputs are 1 abdina, you will get 0 1. Okay, so you will get 0 1. So this is what your implementation part of the full adder logic diagram. So like that you want to go for any case. Okay, when you want to check all the cases and you want to verify whether the implementation of the logic diagram is giving the correct answer. Okay, meaning that it has to satisfy your truth table. Okay, whatever the concept we are studying in the theoretical section, okay, theory part, the same thing we are implementing in the laboratory. Okay, we are implementing by using the Logisync software. Okay, so we want to verify the content what we studied in the theoretical. We want to verify in the laboratory. Okay, so once we completed, next we go for the another experiment. Okay, another experiment subtractor. Okay, next we can go for the subtractor. So have you all completed? So have you all completed? Shall I go for the next exercise? Have you all completed? Yeah. Yes. Thanks for your response. So we completed the full adder implementation. Okay, next I'm going for the subtractor side. The first experiment is implementation of adder and subtractor. Okay, so in that we are having 4 category. First category வந்து என்ன அப்படின்னா half adder, next category வந்து full adder, third category வந்து half subtractor, fourth category வந்து full subtractor. Okay, so I will give you the recorded video link. Okay, so maybe after maybe evening time or when if you get free time, you just try to simulate the concepts by using Logisync. Going for half adder. Okay, so if you take down the heading in your notebook, half adder. So all of you take down the heading half adder. So all of you take down the heading half adder. So half adder heading எடுத்துட்டியாச்சா? Next, so design of subtractor. So design of subtractor la vandu now we are going to see half adder. Next we are going to full adder. Okay, design of subtractor heading போட்டுட்டு down design of subtractor. அதுல வந்து you are having 2 category. One is half adder, another one is full adder. Sorry, first one is half subtractor, another one is full subtractor. Okay, so first we are going to see half subtractor. So design of subtractor போட்டுட்டு below that take down the heading half subtractor. So below that take down these important points. Half subtractor is a combinational circuit. Okay, half subtractor is a combinational circuit that subtracts 2 bits. This is very important. That subtracts 2 bits and produce their difference and borrow. So these are all the keys. Please note down. So half subtractor அப்படின்னா we can subtract 2 bits only. Okay, if you are having 2 bits, if you want to subtract, then you can go for half subtractor. So the result என்ன எப்பயுமே subtract பண்ணா what you will get difference and borrow. So adder ல வந்து sum carry வர மாதிரி subtractor ல வந்து you will be getting difference and borrow. Okay, I think you all know, you might be studied in your school days, isn't it? Next, subtract order rule. Take down the rules of subtractor. So binary subtractor order rule. Okay, so please note down your notebook. 0 minus 0 na 0. This is first case. 0 minus 0 na 0. 0 minus 1. Okay, higher order bit வந்து 0, lower order bit வந்து 1 அப்படின்னா if you minus 0, okay, 0 minus 1 அப்படின்னா you will get 1. Okay, difference 1, borrow 1. Okay, difference 1 with borrow 1. Okay, 1 minus 0 அப்படின்னா you will get 1. Difference மட்டும்தான் வரும். You will get 1. 1 minus 0 அப்படின்னா you will get 0. The difference is 0. Okay, so all of you note down the rules of subtractor. 0 minus 0 na 0, 0 minus 1 அப்படின்னா 1, 1 minus 0 na 1, 1 minus 1 அப்படினா 0. So all of you note down the rules. So next I'm going for the truth table. Okay, wow. Next I'm going for the truth table. So truth table for half adder. So inputs in so already I said that half adder அப்படினா you can use only 2 bits. Okay, wow. இதே full subtractor அப்படினா you can use 3 bits. Okay, wow. Half subtractor அப்படினா you can use only 2 bits. Full subtractor அப்படினா you can use 3 bits. That is the main difference between half adder and half subtractor and full subtractor. So input on the A and B are your input. Output on the difference and borrow. These are all the outputs of your half subtractor. So say input on the 0 0 abdina, difference 0, borrow 0. 0 1 input on the 0 1 abdina, you will get difference 1, borrow 1. 1 0. Okay, A would value on the 1, B would value 0 abdina, difference 1, borrow 0. 1 1. Both the inputs are high. I mean A1 BU1 அப்படினா difference வந்து 0, then வந்து borrow வந்து 0. Okay, this is what the truth table of your half subtractor. So please note down in your notebook. This is very important. Okay, so truth table எல்லாமே ரொம்ப important. Okay, so you please note down in your notebook. This is the truth table of your half subtractor. So hope you all noted. Next, I'm going for the implementation because we need Boolean expressions. Okay, so Boolean expression I'm having truth table. I need Boolean expression. I want to map this truth table into K map. So from that, I can get Boolean expressions, isn't it? The outcome of K map you will get Boolean expressions, isn't it? So I'm going to map this truth table into my two variable Karnaugh map. Okay, so map பண்ணீங்க அப்படினா so the difference க்கு ஒரு k map, borrow க்கு ஒரு k map. எப்பவுமே வந்து outputs க்கு தான் we will draw the k map, isn't it? இந்த outputs என்ன difference உம் borrow உம் தான் outputs. So I am going to draw the first k map for difference, next k map என்ன borrow. So how we can group? So here everything is individual grouping, isn't it? Because you don't have any adjacent ones, so I can make this one as one group. Okay, so I can make this one as one group and this one is another group, isn't it? Because there is no adjacent ones. In borrow case, so you will have only number of ones only one. Okay, so you can make it as the individual group because there is no another one in your adjacent cells, isn't it? Okay, so like that we can group. So after that, what we want to do, we will go for the Boolean expressions. Once you completed the grouping, next we will be going for the Boolean expression, isn't it? So if you write Boolean expression for the half subtractor, if the difference part, okay, if you take the difference part, okay, you will get A B bar plus A bar B. Okay, so in the K map, if you write Boolean expression, okay, you will get A B bar plus A bar B. Okay, so A B bar plus A bar B abdina, this is nothing but algebraic expression of your XOR gate, isn't it? Algebraic expression of your XOR gate. So I can rewrite like A XOR of B. Okay, in the Boolean expression rewrite pannalam, I can rewrite A XOR of B, isn't it? Okay, fine. Next case borrow. So borrow can, if you write Boolean expression for this K map, okay, you will get A bar B. This is what the Boolean expression of borrow. Okay, once if you completed, okay, once if you completed the Boolean expression, next we want to go for the implementation part. Okay, next we want to go for the implementation by using logic gates, isn't it? So we want to draw the logic gate diagram for this difference and borrow. So how we can write? So first difference எழுதுனீங்க அப்படினா, I mean difference draw பண்ணா, so you are having two inputs, A and B are your inputs. Okay, so A ல இருந்து ஒரு லைன் போட்டுக்கணும், next வந்து B ல இருந்து ஒரு input line போட்டு, So these two line puts என்ன பண்ணனும், you want to give it to XR because A XR of B, this is what your difference, isn't it? You want to give these two inputs to XR gate. The result of your XR gate is nothing but your difference. Okay va. Next borrow. Borrow என்ன பண்ணனும், borrow is nothing but A bar into B, isn't it? So we want to use two gates. The bar க்கு வந்து you want to use NOT gate. So இந்த இடத்துல வந்து product, I mean A bar into B ங்கறனால product, so you want to use AND gate, isn't it? So அப்ப வந்து A ல இருந்து எடுத்து வந்து you want to give one inverter. Okay, so now A is converted into A bar, isn't it? A வந்து A bar ஆயிடும். Next வந்து you want to tap input from B. Okay, B ல இருந்து you want to tap another input and you want to give it to AND gate because this is A bar into B. That's why I'm giving to AND gate. The result of AND gate is nothing but your borrow. So this is what the implementation of your half subtractor. This is what the implementation of your half subtractor. Next, what we want to do, the same thing we want to implement in the Logisim software. Okay, the same thing we want to implement in the Logisim software. Have you all noted? Shall I go for the implementation part in the Logisim section? Anyone reply through chat? Have you all noted up to implementation of half adder section? Yeah. Thanks for your response. Next, I'm going for the Logisim. Sorry. Okay, well, next I'm going for Logisim software to implement the half subtractor. Okay, fine. So half subtractor diagram in whatever the gates you need, I think you need three different gates. One is XR, another one is NOT gate, third one and then AND gate. You need three different gates, isn't it? First one the XR gate. So you want to change the number of inputs. Generally when the 5 இருக்கும், you want to make it to 2 because this is half subtractor. You are having only 2 inputs. Next you need one AND gate, isn't it? So you need one NOT gate to convert the A into A bar. Another gate is you need one AND gate. You want to change the number of inputs. You want to make it to 2. Okay, fine. Next வந்து என்ன பண்ணனும், we want to take inputs and outputs. You need 2 inputs. This firebox indicates input section. This circle indicates output section. I think you all know. So I'm taking 2 outputs. One is difference, another one is borrow. Next என்ன பண்ணனும், we want to connect. We want to connect the input to your logic gates. Next output. Okay, we completed the different section. Okay, so I'm just labeling. This is A and this is B input section. This is output section. Then first இது வந்து difference, isn't it? So next வந்து I want to go for the borrow side. So borrow side is nothing but B bar into A bar, isn't it? So I want to take input from A and I want to give it to NOT gate. The output of NOT gate will be given to AND gate. Okay, next I want to connect output to output section. So I can make a label. Okay, இது வந்து என்ன, borrow. Okay. Once you complete it, next we can go for the verification of truth table. Okay, we can verify the truth table. First case வந்து என்ன, 0 0 na difference and borrow is 0. Okay, both inputs are low. This is half subtractor. Okay, 0 0 na difference is 0, borrow is 0. next வந்து 0 1 ஓகேவா 0 1 அப்படின்னா you will get difference 1 borrow 1 ஓகேவா difference 1 borrow 1 0 1 கேஸுக்கு வந்து please verify your truth table, you will get difference 1 and borrow 1. next என்ன a1 b0 ஓகேவா a1 b0 கேஸுக்கு வந்து difference 1 borrow வந்து 0. okay, the next last case என்ன a1 1 b1 1, so a and b both the inputs are 1, so you will get difference 0 borrow 0. okay, so this is what the implementation of half subtractor by using Logisync software. This is what the implementation of half subtractor using Logisync software. So can you able to understand? Reply through chat. Can you able to understand? Have you all completed up to this? Yeah. Thanks for your response. And the rest of the students, remaining students na complete பண்ணியாச்சா? Reply through chat. Can you able to understand? Can you able to follow பண்ண முடியுதா? Yeah, thanks for your response. So if you are having computer or if you are having laptop in your hand, okay, while you are having Logisync software, okay, or parallel, you just try. Okay, well, this is like a hands-on session. Okay, or not a theoretical class. Okay, well, this is like a hands-on session. So parallel, when you just work out. Okay, if you have any doubt, put in the chat box, or you may call. Okay, well, after evening time, you just call and clarify your doubts. Also, I will provide the recorded video link. Okay, I will upload in my YouTube. Okay, in our department YouTube channel. So after maybe evening, or if you get free time, you just go through the video and try to implement the circuits in the Logisync. Okay, so yeah, all the students, if you completed the experiments, take a photocopy and upload in the Google Classroom. I think very few students only completed the first experiment and uploaded in the Google Classroom. The remaining students not yet completed and also not uploaded, isn't it? So if you're not uploaded, okay, this will reflect in your internal mark, because I will consider the submission. Okay, the document what you uploaded, I will consider this is as your internal. Okay, I will consider this mark as internal mark, and also I will consider for your internal weightage. Okay, but if you're not completed, if you're not submitted, then I will put 0. Okay, I will put 0, and you will get very minimum mark in the final exam. And also 3 students not yet joined in the Google Classroom. I don't know why. I put message so many times in your class, I mean in your WhatsApp group, but 3 students not yet joined. Okay, so those students join immediately. Okay, then only you can submit your experiments, and also homeworks, DST subject homeworks also you want to submit. Okay, so I will consider these homeworks and lab experiments, okay, as an internal weightage mark. Okay, I will consider as an internal weightage mark. Okay, fine. So we completed up to half subtractor. Okay, next full subtractor is nothing but 3 input. Okay, so instead of 2 input, you want to give 3 input. I mean A, B, C in. Okay, whatever the thing we have done in full adder, the same thing we want to go for the full subtractor. So A, B, C in, you want to give 3 inputs. Okay, so remaining things are same. Okay, so I will give you the full subtractor as a homework. Okay, so I will give you the document for full subtractor. I will post in the Google Classroom. Okay, you just go through and you just try to implement the full subtractor in Logisync. Okay, take it as a assignment or homework, complete it and submit in the Google Classroom. Okay, fine. So I completed half adder, full adder, half subtractor. Okay, அந்த மூணு நான் கம்ப்ளீட் பண்ணியாச்சு. நான் எக்ஸ்பிளைன் பண்ணிட்டேன். ஓகேவா, எப்படி வந்து லாஜிஸ்டிக் வந்து எக்ஸிக்யூட் பண்றதுன்ட்டு. So I will give you full subtractor வந்து என்ன பண்றேன்னா I will give you as an assignment or homework. ஓகேவா, அதுக்கு வந்து supporting document full subtractor கான supporting document I will upload in the classroom. ஓகேவா, நான் Google Classroomல போட்டுறேன். supporting document go through பண்ணிட்டு you just try to implement in the Logisim. ஓகேவா, once you got the output, take a photocopy, upload in the Google Classroom. ஓகேவா, so எனக்கு வந்து I need half adder, full adder, half subtractor, full subtractor. இந்த 4 circuits நீங்க என்ன பண்ணிருக்கணும், complete பண்ணி you want to upload in the Google Classroom. Okay, well, then only I will consider that you completed experiment number 1. Okay, I consider பண்ணிக்கலாம். Okay, fine. I think we come to end of today's class. How was today's class? Give your feedback. Yeah, good. Thanks. Thanks for your response. I think very few students are replying. மற்ற ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ் ஏன் ரிப்ளை பண்றது இல்ல? I am expecting feedback from everyone. So யார் feedback கொடுக்குறீங்களோ அவங்களுக்கு மட்டும் தான் I will give you attendance. Okay, otherwise I won't give attendance. Okay, thank you for your response. If you have any difficult, okay, உங்களால வந்து ஃபாலோ பண்ண முடியலனா you just communicate. ஓகேவா, மேபி ஈவினிங் டைம் வந்து கிளாसेस முடிஞ்சதுக்கு அப்புறம் என்னோட பர்சனல் நம்பருக்கு வந்து நீங்க கால் பண்ணி you just clarify your doubts. ஓகேவா, என்ன டவுட்ஸ் இருந்தாலும் நீங்க கிளாரிஃபை பண்ணிக்கங்க. ஓகேவா, don't struggle. ஓகேவா, feel free to contact. ஓகேவா, கம்யூனிகேட் பண்ணி என்ன டவுட் இருந்தாலும் நீங்க கிளாரிஃபை பண்ணிக்கங்க. Okay, so thanks for joining. So the rest of the things we will continue in the next class. You can leave now.